Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to alter a table, that means add a column. So somehow in the last video we have seen that we have created this one, the table that is users, right? Via migrations. Okay. So I thought like I want to add one more column. So how I can do that? So for this, what we have to do, we are going to do alter a table. Okay, so again we have to go to with creation of the migration again, and the name should be add age to the user. So we have to again generate the migration. So let's go to the terminal and generate it. Okay, so it will generate a new migrations. Okay, so here we have the new migrations, right? So here you can see that the migrations that is for the add age to the users table. Okay, so I'm going to add the in the users table. I'm going to add a new column. Okay, so for this, in the up model, so whatever you want to add a column with the help of co-interface dot add column in the users and the column name and the type and allow null true accordingly, you have to set it up. Okay, so this is how you are going to add it like this. Okay, so save this first step. Second one, if you're adding, then when this is dropped, then you have to remove that same also. So remove column at the bottom of it. Okay, so the remove column. Okay, so this is done. So this is for altering, add altering commands over here. Okay, so with the help of this core interface, create tables like this. So add column, and at the same remove that one. Now run the db migrate. Okay, so here we go with this migrate. So whatever it is there, it will migrate. So the that is the add age to the user will migrate. So it will add a new column that is age. Here you can see that. So this is how we can add a new column with the help of the migrations. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, we will do like I want to remove this column, then which command I would like to run, and if I want to remove the full-fledged migration or the full table, how I can do that. So stay with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.